Nestled in the Villages of South Solerno is the beautiful gated community, Sunstone. Homes in Sunstone were exclusively constructed by the highly reputed home builder Lennar Homes, and Lennar built 4 different spacious floor plans in Sunstone. The homes in Sunstone offer a bunch of extraordinary features like custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, Corian or granite countertops, beautiful brick paver driveways, and energy-efficient features. The houses also offer a lot of great space. They range anywhere from 2,500 square feet to about 3,500 square feet, and they do have 3-car garages. There are currently 2 homes for sale in Sunstone. And those homes are priced from about $750,000 to about $950,000. And in all of 2023, only 5 homes sold in this community. And those sold prices range from about $579,000 to $900,000. This is a desirable community in Viera West that hasn't seen much turnover the past year. So that being said, if this is a community you see yourself living in, you should move fairly quickly when the property comes on the market. With so little turnover, competition will be there for homes that come available for sale. And just outside the community is Eastwind and Westwind Parks. The parks are on the opposite sides of the street of each other. Between the two, there are tons of things to keep you active. Things like tennis courts, basketball courts, swimming pool, a pavilion with picnic tables, and a bunch of children play areas. This is the perfect spot to socialize with neighbors and bring the kids to release some energy. We brought our kids here the other day and they ran around playing for over 2 hours. And Viera Blvd is just outside the gates of the community, which gives you immediate access to I-95, which is super convenient for all those trips you're going to make to Disney, Universal Studios, Kennedy Space Center, or Orlando International Airport. Also, Publix, Starbucks, Wawa, Chic Fil-A, and Burrow's West are right there on Viera Blvd. And just on the opposite side of the I-95 causeway on Viera Blvd is Texas Roadhouse, Mr. Delicious Pizza, which has awesome pizza, and a proposed Home Depot and a proposed Whole Foods. Who doesn't like Whole Foods? And don't forget about the exceptional healthcare facilities in Viera West. The cutting-edge Viera Health Park featuring Health First's 100-bed Viera Hospital, Health First's Pro Health and Fitness Center, and the 76,000 square foot medical plaza are just a stone's throw away. If you're looking to buy or sell in Viera West, reach out to me directly. As a Viera West resident, I'd love to help you become a neighbor. Thanks for touring with me, and I look forward to seeing you around Viera.